Hi, this is Rich from Newschoolpiano. Hey, we're going to do a real quick one on Machine Gun Kelly featuring Blackbear. It's called My Ex's Best Friend. 3 chords. It's C sharp minor, F minor, E flat, and the riff is 8th notes. Okay, so C sharp chord is C sharp F, G sharp. F minor chord is F, A flat, C to an E flat. E flat, G, B flat. The riff. And then you just vamp on that. Rewind as you need. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks to Josie for pointing this song out to me, and have fun practicing. Take care.